Hey guys, what's up? This is B coming to you from G&A today. So I've got a friend who works in estate sales and stuff and runs across stuff from time to time, and he ran across a pretty sweet find here, and he just called me up and said, hey man, I just want you to see this and maybe make a video. He knows I make a video on this kind of stuff. So anyways, I'm going to make a video on this, and he's going to let me buy a little bit of it, but most of this is going to go back. But anyways, so he does deals with estate sales sometimes and things, and this person had some ammo. The guns, I think, were sold a couple years ago whenever the main person passed away. Those were all sold, and this was just kind of stuff that was left behind and just finally getting around to it. But crazy amount of ammo here. So a bunch of shot shells, 12 gauge, 20 gauge. I definitely have some old stuff here. Some 30-30. Oh, some of those are already been shot. Yep. Oh man, there's just so much stuff here, it's crazy. Okay, just more 30-30 stuff there. Some 308s. Oh yeah. Some 20 gauge, got some 22 here. Some Remington. Got some 308s, more 30-30. What do we got here? Some more 30-30. 30-30, some more shot shells, 50 rounds or 100 rounds, I guess, 100 rounds of 45 ACP. Some more shot shells, got some 357. Yeah, I don't know, I'm touching some of that. He was fine with that. Alright, just got some 9mm there. Whoa. Got some Federal 30-30. What was this? Oh, that was that 9mm stuff. So, anyways, and that is just one box of it. I'll show you the other stuff that I thought that's kind of the odds and ends stuff. That's kind of cool. There's more stuff that I think is even better. Move that out the way. Got some more 308. Got some 22 here. I think these are some 22 shorts here. Some Remington 22 shorts. Marked $1.99 on there. Oops, 22 shorts. I got some 20 gauge slugs, some 12 gauge slugs, got some Fed Blues, just some regular 12 gauge stuff there, 8-shot. This Federal lighting is still in the cellophane wrapper thing. Some more 22 shorts, got some Magila Super Extra. Got some CCI 22 CB, some 22 Remington Target, marked for 347 from TG&Y. Was this 100 rounds? Yep, some 45 ACP. Got some Federal Lightning, some Mini Mag, CCI Mini Mag, and a little 50 round box. Interesting. Some more 22 shorts. What do we got here? Some 7.62 by 39. Marked $5.38. Some AK ammo. 7.62 by 39. And I got some 45 ACP there. Alright. And then there's one more box of this stuff that I think is the coolest of it all. All right. So we got some 308 stuff there, some Remington 308. Got some 308s there. I noticed it says Peters here, but I think this is, what was it, Remington? Or what was this? Yeah, Remington with the DuPont on there. Anyways, this blazer stuff here is what I thought was the coolest. Which one of these? One of these was already open. The rest are still sealed up. Yeah. This one's already opened here. And they're just kind of thrown in there like that. Some of the CCI blazer. Which I do like some blazer for sure. Is this sealed? No. Let me see what this looks like in here. Well, some was taken out of that one too. Let me grab another one of these and see if they're arranged in there. If they're just dumped in there. Feels like they're just dumped in there, really. Yeah. Anyways, that's cool, that little 50-round box like that. Anyways, very, very cool, man. And the rest of these are sealed up. Like, these are still glued here. Everything's still glued, so I'm not going to pop the seals on any of that stuff. But that blazer, and from what I can see right there, that all looks good. It's been stored properly. What is there? 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 8 sealed ones, and this 9th one's unsealed, and it's still 80% there, or actually 90% there pretty much. Anyways, very cool. Man, one of those estate sales and just being a part of that, I'm sure people like that get to run across all kinds of cool stuff. But anyways, just thought I would show that off. Cool little ammo collection that somebody had. And like I said, the guns that the person who gave this to me said that person, the guns had been dealt with a couple years ago after this guy passed away. So, man, this may have just been his little bit of ammo that he had sitting around. They may have sold the big portion of it, but whatever. Anyways, very, very cool there. Y'all take care. God bless.